Good day to all of you. I hope you're having a good day today. I am Joshua Lawag.
I'm Justin Gabo.
I'm Larcel Polito.
And my name is Gian Shararicarte.
And we are here to give a tour inside the Cavite State University.
Let's go.
Hi, I'm Justin Dabo from Pierce TM1-2. I'm here to discuss the Laya Indiwa Monument. This monument is created by Jonel P. Castrillo. This monument carries the ideals of excellence, truth, and service. There are 5 basic elements in the artwork together with the symbolic figures and meaning. The enchanted woman holding a book represent the empowered Filipino women.
Hi guys, my name is Lauren Janel Polito. We are here at the OSAS, or Office of the Student Affairs and Services. The OSAS are to meet the educational, vocational, and personal development needs of students. Here is where you can get your ID and most important documents like Format 37 for admission purposes.
Good afternoon, guys, and my name is Gian Shararicarte. Now we are here in Latislao in Tipon for that. We are here now at the library. You can see this building is a 6th floor. 6th floor, on the first floor, as a lobby over here. And in the other floor, you can study, rest, and do your assignment or your thesis, homework, activities on the 6th floor. And there are many more can be found inside the library.
We are here at the CMDS building for College of Economics, Management, and Development Studies. Here inside the Cavite State University, there are 2 CMDS buildings. This one right here is called the new CMDS building, and the other one shown in the picture is called the old CMDS building. So the CMDS building is specified for students whose course is related to economics, management, and development studies like us. And the CMDS building have a lot of classrooms and faculties, also offices. And there are also other departments and colleges inside the Cavite State University, like College of Agriculture, Food, Environment, and Natural Resources, College of Arts and Science, College of Criminal Justice, College of Education, College of Engineering and Information Technology, College of Nursing, College of Sports, Physical Education and Recreation, College of Veterinary Medicine and Biomedical Sciences, and lastly, Graduate School and Open Learning College. Now, let's move on to the next building. Hi guys, have a pleasant afternoon to all of you. By the way, I'm Charles Darren Saklet from Bachelor of Science in Development. So I'm here to tell you some information about Eco Park. And Eco Park has a beautiful surroundings and a few benches that if you want to study here with your friends and your classmates. And also, if you want to buy either buy food or you feel hungry, Saloy Soy has got you covered with a canteen and also Kazi hats and serene surroundings. And that's all, guys. Thank you. So now we are here at the ICON, or the International Convention Center. This building is for special events like graduation and other events that are academically related events. It has a huge space and is well air conditioned. It has a huge stage and a lot of chairs for guests. So that concludes our video for today. I hope you guys learned something and thank you for watching. So guys, thank you for watching. By the way, and once again, I'm Charles Darren Saklet.
I'm Justin Adrian Vidabo.
I am Joshua Lawag.
I am Laura Polito.
And my name is
Gian Shararicarte.